So the next problem, this problem is based on the concept arithmetic progression. Okay. Avantipur decided that they would contribute their service to put an end to the usage of plastic in their village. They fixed the poster and hoisted placards and depicted the ill effects of the plastic on human health and the environment. They started their work on June 1st. Remember, they are starting their work on June 1st. June 1st is our A1 or N is equal to 1. Okay. They started collecting the thrown of the plastic bottles in the locality and started counting them. To their astonishment, they found that the number of plastic bottles that they collected each day are 378, 365, 352. It means on first day, that is on June 1st, they are collecting 378 bottles. On June 2nd, they are collecting 365 bottles, and on June 3rd, okay, on June 3rd, they are collecting 352 bottles. So using this AP, we are going to write the first term, we are going to write the second term. So using the first term and the second term, we can find anything, so whatever they are going to ask. Okay, so in the first sub question, they have given how many bottles did they collect on June 25th? Okay, how many bottles did they collect on June 25th? So on the first day, here we have the AP 378, 365, 352 and so on June 25th. Okay, so this is our first day, this is our second day, this is our third day, and on 25th day we have to find how many bottles they are going to collect. Okay, so here A is equal to what? 378, that is equal to A1, A2 is equal to 365. First we have to find the common difference, so D is equal to A2 minus A1. So we will get the value of D as minus 13. As I told earlier, A is equal to 378. Okay, 378, 365, 352 on the third day, and on the 25th day what we are going to get. So what is this 25? That is the value of N. Okay, so N is equal to 25 over here, and A is equal to 378 and D is equal to minus 13. A1 is equal to 378, A2 is equal to 365, A3 is equal to 352. We have to find A25. Why we have to find A25? On the 25th day they have asked. So 25th day means A25. First day means A1, second day means A2, third day means A3, 25th day means A25. Okay, so how do we write A25? A25 is nothing but A plus 24D, or when we substitute the given value in the formula, AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. In place of N, what we are going to write? A25 is equal to A plus 25 minus 1 into D. Directly I have taken it as A25 is equal to A plus 24D. Okay, so A25, the value of A is 378 plus 24. Keep it in mind. D value is minus 30. It is not plus 30. Okay, so minus 30. A25 is equal to 378. 24 into 13 is equal to minus 312. So A25 is equal to 378 minus 312 is equal to 66. What is the meaning of A25 is equal to 66? First day A1, they are going to collect 378 bottles. Second day, that is A2, 365 bottles. 25th day, they are going to collect 66 bottles. Okay, that is about this first sub. So in the next sub question, that is second sub question, we have find the total number of bottles. So we have to find the total number of bottles, not number of bottles. Number of bottles means that way, like what we have solved in the previous problem. Total number of bottles collected in the first 10 days. Okay, we have to calculate sum of bottles. Sum of bottles that are collected on first 10 days. We have to calculate sum of bottles. Sum of bottles means we have to calculate SN. AN is different, SN is different. Number of bottles on 25th day, A25. Total number of bottles on first 10 days. First 10 days, n will become the well n value is equal to 10. First 20 days, the well value will be equal to 20. Okay, so here the n value is equal to 10 because they have told to calculate the value of first 10 days. Okay, so what is the value of A here? A is equal to 378. What is the value of B? Like we have calculated in the previous problem, D is equal to minus 30. Now substitute the values. Yes, 10 is equal to 10 by 2 into 2. The value of A is 378. 378 plus of N value is 10 minus 1. Keep it in mind, D is not 13, it is minus 13. So inside the bracket I am going to write as minus 30. Okay, so S10 is equal to 10 by 2 is 5 and 378 into 2 is 756 plus of 10 minus 1, 9. 9 into minus 13 is minus 117. Okay, so S10 is equal to 5 into 756 minus 117. Okay, so when you subtract S10 is equal to 5 into 639 or the value of S10. Okay, so when you multiply 5 into, it is equal to 3195. S10 is equal to 3195. What is the meaning of S10 is equal to 3195? First day plus second day plus third day plus fourth day plus fifth day plus sixth. The total number of bottles collected on the first day, first 10 days is equal to 3195. Whereas in the previous first sub question, A25 we calculated. That is on the 25th day, the bottles collected on that day, on that particular day, it was 66. Here, the sum of bottles that are collected on first 10 days is equal to 3195. So in the third question, the children of Avantipur wanted to make the village a plastic free zone. So they are going to remove all the plastic bottles that are in the city. Identify the day on which they got one bottle. So what is this one bottle? So in the first sub question, we calculated how many bottles they collected on 25th day. So first day 378, second day 365, third day 352, 25th day it is 66, and they are going to collect in the same way. On Sunday they are going to get one bottle. So what is that day? On which day we have to calculate the value of n? N is equal to 1, 378, n is equal to 2, 365, n is equal to 3, 352, n is equal to 25. That is first sub question what we did. We got 66. On which day they are going to get one bottle. Okay, so here is our AP 378, 365, 352. On which day we are going to get one bottle. That is our value of AN, that is equal to 1. Okay, so what is A, that is equal to 378? What is B? Minus 13. We calculated in the previous problem. 365 minus 378, D is equal to minus 13. AN, the value 1, we have to calculate the value of n. So substitute all the values over here. An is 1 is equal to 378 plus we have to calculate the value of n minus 1, and D is minus 13. Minus 30. Okay, so 378 you transpose it to LHS. 1 minus 378 is equal to n minus 1 into minus 30. So 1 minus 378 is minus 377. So transpose minus 30 to LHS, it will become divided by minus 13 is equal to n minus 1. Minus and minus we can cancel. 13 ones are, we get 13 29s are is equal to n minus 1. So n minus 1 is equal to 29. If we transpose 1 to RHS, n is equal to 29 plus 1, n is equal to 30. So what is the meaning of this n is equal to 30? On 30th day, they are going to have one bottle. On 25th day, they had 66 bottles. First day, they had 378 bottles. So they got one bottle, which was their dream day. 30th day, 30th day, that is not our answer. What should be our answer? June 30th. June 30th. On June 30th, they are going to have one bottle.